back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tiavian Johnson and I'm bringing you another video. Okay, so as you can see by the title, it is 2020 now, and I decided to give you guys my goals for the new year by giving you guys a foldable goal book. Now, I didn't have the proper materials for a vision board, so I decided to make this out of inspiration from two YouTubers, and I decided to mesh their ideas together and create my own. So without further ado, let's just get straight into the video and show you the construction of it, and then I'll be back on to tell you how I'll fill it in. Okay, so if you got in this far, you'll now see what I constructed and why I constructed the different sections of it. This is the star of the show. I'm not gonna lie, act like I was in love with how it came out. It was, you know, it was okay. Maybe I'll do different washi next time, and then now that I kind of know where I'm going for, then I'll know how to make it a little bit more appealing to me. But it's cute for my beginner self, so it's okay. Okay, so I decided to use 3 papers, which is all I really need. I didn't decide to put all my sections on a different paper, so if I did that, then I would need 6 papers. But I decided to make it a booklet, so every single time you open it, it's going to be something on a different page. Now this blank page right here, it's going to have my word of the year, where something, I open it and I'll see the word, I'm like, okay, this is what I want to focus on for the majority of the year. So I'm going to decorate that, and I got that from one of the YouTubers, but the rest of the book came from the other YouTuber. I really like how it turns out for the most part, other than the decorating, it could have been better, but that's just me. But I really like having the space to write down what I want. And the reason why I have certain numbers of boxes, like this has 3, this one has 4 boxes, this one has 4, is because I knew what I kind of sort of what I wanted to put down into these papers. So I kind of pre-planned, okay, I want this kind of goal for that and that, so I don't need 50 million boxes for this section. Just by doing it, I just wanted to not waste any stickers, but at the same time make it cute to where I have it down and I knew what I was kind of like getting myself into. So that's the reason why I chose that. But I'm gonna come back, of course, in another video, in a future video, so stay tuned for that, where I actually fill this in. If you want to see that, then come back. Or if you want inspiration years to come, then I'll also have this video up here, you know, if it's 2021 and I'm speaking to you in the future, hello. Anyways, but for the most part, I really like how it came out, and I really feel as though I'm gonna utilize this. I will be putting this in my Happy Planner, but if you don't have a Happy Planner, of course, you do not have to use Happy Planner paper. You can use alternatives. Like I said in the writing, when you were going through the construction of it, if you don't have a Happy Planner, then all you have to do is use construction. Just use markers. If you don't have stickers, you don't have to use stickers. Just think about it. You don't have to go break the bank just to make a goal book. Neither do you have to do that if you decide to just do a vision board. You could even incorporate just a vision board inside of this if you want to do that. You want stickers as well as written out goals. But when you're making goals, make sure to make it SMART goals, which means that it's just that you're actually going through the steps of what you're going to do to achieve these goals, and you're not just writing, okay, empty goals, okay, I want to do this, but it's such a vague goal. So be mindful of that. If you made it this far, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, and most definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.